he kills him like an animal. That was tough. Woo! He ain't gonna be in Texas Chainsaw 2. That part, let's get into it.
Chainsaw Massacre.
Well, anytime they do a little Star Wars thing, it'll pull up with the talking. This gonna be good. This gonna be some stuff.
The series to be handed down as a result.
We not doing that. That's nasty.
Of a special grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is the parts of a corpse had been removed.
Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Who the hell would do something like that? Guess we finna find out. Franklin butt just got laid out.
You okay?
Okay. There.
She know way too much about this. She confusing me. I'm getting a headache just hearing it.
Maleficence is increased.
Girl, a minute, you don't mind, do you? Honey, I'll get you to sheriff.
I don't trust none of him. None of these people. Not one of them.
Folks, let us through here. This girl's granddaddy's spirit.
I see things.
Hell no. It's time to go. Get up in that van. It's time to get out. Get out.
It's terrible. It's still going on.
Franklin on some other stuff.
You took these, huh?
Yeah.
He gotta go. He gotta go too. He gotta go. Y'all already starting off from a deficit. Because this right here is some weird behavior.
Franklin.
See, they make...
Why is he still in his car? Oh, hell no. I told you this dude was off. He was on some weirdo stuff, bro. Y'all should have been kicked his butt out. He said, come get some barbecue. Them little girls, they don't want to be around no house. That's what he's trying to tell you. They for sure didn't have no accessibility pathways.
Sorry!
Lord, it ain't that fun yet, clearly.
Let's go.
He said don't go poking around people's property. Damn! Gosh! Lord, he kills him like an animal. That was tough. Woo! He ain't gonna be in Texas Chainsaw 2. Then her little butt gonna fall into the same booby trap. Oh my Lord. Tur ain't here right now. Take a message. He got hooks. He got hooks. He lost his mind, yo. He hooking people. Oh my gosh. Whew. That's tough. He crazy. Oh, hell no. Oh, my God. Yo, that's tough. Just don't play with me like that. Just get it over with. I don't want that painful match. Just shoot me or something. Just get it over with. Lord.
Come on.
How are they all this dumb though? Y'all all gonna walk the same direction, the same all that. We just that dumb, huh? We just that dumb. That's it. This is some psychotic mess, bro. This is some psychopathic stuff.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, yo, y'all gotta chill. Y'all gotta chill. Y'all gotta chill. My nerves, the way my nerves are set, I ain't got it. I ain't got it. I ain't got it. Woo-sa. 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 You gonna have to run faster than that, big dog. Yeah, cause he just chopping that thing down. He gonna catch up. You went to the wrong place, fool.
Please.
He dead too, fool. Oh, come on now, y'all. Y'all gotta chill with these popping bodies out and stuff. I ain't got it. Y'all know I'm jumpy. The animals dead. Everything up in there dead. Girl, you gotta go. You need to get out in the woods, something. Stop screaming, too. He ain't gonna be able to find you if you get out in pitch black and you stop screaming. You gotta be faster than that. Stop making noise. He must have played football or something back in the day, because he booking it. He for sure, he said, with the chainsaw though, he booking it, bro. If you don't call the popo, she said call the popo.
Phone here. We have to get the truck.
You gonna go by yourself, you gonna end up dead, fool. He just hitting her with a broom and all that. Bruh, it ain't gonna end up. Oh, the weirdo's back.
Oh!
So they all in cahoots with each other? This is a weird mess, bro. What the hell? Yo, this is weird, bro. This is weird.
Then you ain't nothing. Me and him do all the work.
I just...
Yo, you over here bickering and stuff over, like, I'm just lost. This is just wild. This whole thing is just wild as hell to me. This is weird. This is weird, bro. Yo, this is wild. This is really wild. That should at least slow him down a pinch. That was some psychotic mess. Like, in between the whole family thing, that was crazy. It was crazy, John. That's exactly how I would describe that. Absolute crazy town. Yeah. This is why I don't do scary movies. Because why? Why, Sway? Psycho mess. Do me a favor. Hit the like button, sub button, bell button. Let me know what else I should react to on the channel. And I gotta go. I gotta decompose after that one. Deuces.